Aronia berries. The antioxidant power of aronia berries, also known as chokeberries, crushes the competition. They're packed with polyphenols more than acai, more than blueberries. They help reduce inflammation, minimize acne and wrinkles, and increase circulation, says Juice Generation founder Eric Helms, author of The Juice Generation. 100 recipes for fresh juices and superfood smoothies, Simon & Schuster. Aronia berries look and taste like very small, very tart blueberries. Blend frozen ones in a breakfast smoothie, bake them into muffins, or, if you're feeling really ambitious, use them for jam or syrup. Bell peppers. They come in the same colors that gummy bears do: red, orange, yellow, and green, but that's not why bell peppers are the stars of the crudites platter. Spiked with vitamin C, they kick up collagen production for healthy hair and skin. Even minor vitamin C deficiencies can lead to dry, splitting hair that breaks easily, says nutritionist Joy Bauer, author of Joy Fit Club, Houghton Mifflin Harcourt. Toss half a sliced bell pepper into your salad or stir-fry them for extra crunch and color, or just chop them into sticks. They make perfect hummus scoopers. Lobster. No one needs an excuse to order a lobster roll. Here's one anyway. The high zinc content in lobster protects cell membranes, helps maintain collagen, and promotes speedy skin renewal, Bauer says. It's healthiest boiled or in paella, but still counts if it's lightly drizzled with butter or added to mac and cheese. Spinach. Kale has a hell of a PR team, but spinach is no slouch either. Spinach delivers a triple dose of wrinkle-fighting antioxidants. Vitamin C, vitamin E, and beta-carotene, says Bauer. All three work in concert to protect your skin from the sun's aging UV rays. Yes, you still need to wear sunscreen. Aim for 1 cup per day, use it in your salad instead of romaine, or wilt a bag of green leaves into your pasta sauce or soup. Lentils. These sequin-shaped legumes are a good source of protein and iron, so they beget full-bodied hair if you're deficient in iron or a vegetarian, says Bauer. Combine 1 cup cooked lentils with caramelized onions and a splash of balsamic vinegar for a simple side dish, or make a hearty lentil soup with veggies. Chia seeds. These cute little guys are packed with protein, fiber, and loads of omega-3s, which reduce inflammation, says nutritionist Kiri Glassman, author of The New and Improved Diet, Rodale Press. They're a sneaky diet tool, too. Since they absorb up to 10 times their weight in water, they keep you feeling fuller longer. Float them in juice, sprinkle a teaspoon of them on your yogurt, or try a chia pudding. Blend a palmful with 2 cups of milk, a half teaspoon of vanilla, and 2 teaspoons of dried fruit, like dates, currants, or figs. Almonds. Almonds are rich in flavonoids, which promote heart health, and vitamin E, a nutrient that's vital to skin health, says Bauer. They can help ward off damaging free radicals and even oxidative damage caused by smoking, according to a study from the Chinese Center for Disease Control and Prevention. Snack on a handful of almonds. Bauer likes them oven toasted with spices or almond butter on apple slices. Sea buckthorn. Nutritionists swear by omega-7s in sea buckthorn for promoting strong hair and nails and helping skin hold onto moisture. It's not very tasty, so try an oral supplement like Cebu Beauty Sea Buckthorn, or look out for sea buckthorn at the juice bar. Hey, press that like and subscribe button, hit that bell icon, and keep watching Everyday Infotainment. Please like, share and subscribe to Everyday Infotainment. And if you have any suggestion, feel free to comment.